Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Bagsmart Blast Mesh Travel Backpack, and I love Bagsmart so much. I've been using this toiletries bag from Bagsmart for the last 2 years. This has been amazing, so I'm expecting a lot from this travel backpack. If you've seen any of my other travel review videos, then you know that I'm looking for quality, aesthetics, price, and functionality, so I'm pretty excited to open this up. So you can see here, I just got this. I have not used it at all yet. Let's open this up. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pack this bag so I can show you how I would pack it, and then maybe that can give you some ideas for this travel backpack. Okay, you guys, I packed it up and I'm actually really surprised, and I'm so happy that it's comfortable. I went downstairs and I asked my husband, do I look nerdy? How do I look? He's like, oh, you look really good. Also, this is the peyote color or peyote color, and I packed it like pretty big. Also, this backpack is machine washable. Don't forget that, because that's important, especially if you're like running around and you get really sweaty. So it has a little strap right here. You can adjust this to be a little bit lower if you want, but I kind of like it above my chest area. And then the cool thing is, right through here, there's actually a little bit of elastic give. And then the cool thing is, look at this. This part is not give, and this part right here is give. So when you pull it, it's not like it's gonna just forever be stretched. You can also take this part and tighten it more. And it has this little secure thing right here so your strap's not just getting longer as you run. When it comes to any type of backpack, a travel backpack or a commuter backpack, you wanna be taking a look at the straps. You can see that everything is nice and reinforced. It's not just like randomly sewed on. Also, you have to make sure that there's padding in here and it ends at a certain part, or else this part is gonna rip off. I love it whenever they do like stitchings in the middle through here. This little triangle is for this cotton twill part to be extra sturdy in there. The backpack straps through here are really comfortable. I would say this is probably, I don't know, maybe 8 out of 10 comfort. I wouldn't go backpacking like for a long time with this, but as far as it goes with maybe just taking a day trip, traveling all day, if it's not super heavy, you could probably last for a long time. But the breathability of this mesh part is really nice. It's really good so far. This is why we want that nice cotton twill. Looks really good. Also, there's a handle right here, and then there's also going to be a handle right here. So if you want to carry this bag like this, that's totally fine. This water bottle holder can also hold up to 40 ounces. So this is like my smaller travel one, but let's just say you wanted to go with the Stanley Cup. There you go. You can fit a Stanley Cup in here, or one of those really big hydro flasks. I really like that this water bottle holder is just nice and elastic, and if your bottle is big enough, you just take this compression strap right here, put it over, tighten it down, and then it's really not going anywhere, versus having some of those drawstring things right here that can look a little bit bulky. So, oh, also this bag, I packed it with so much, but I was really happy I had the compression straps through here, because if not, it would look pretty big. Also, my husband usually has a backpack for his personal item, and he packs it even bigger than this. All he does when he slides it underneath the airplane seat, he just flattens it out a little bit. So that's how you would get this guy to fit underneath the airplane seat. We're gonna unpack this backpack. I put so much stuff in here. It's really amazing. Here in the front, you have another mesh pouch, and then you can just put like your phone or something in there, or whatever you want. White noise machine. Close that up. On the side, what you could do is I just put all my tech items in here. So I have a battery pack, all my chargers, all my cables, everything in here. On this side, I have the nice handle. Here on this zipper, I have my lotion, tissues, and then I also have chopsticks. So I like to have these 2 items easily accessible, so it's nice to have its own pocket right through here. All right, rotating the bag again. Here on the back side, we have that awesome, nice mesh material. What I'm also looking for in a travel backpack is if it has a luggage trolley pull-through, which it does. So you can see this part right here. This trolley pull-through area is for when you have a carry-on luggage. You're just gonna put this backpack right on top so it's not flopping all over the place. And then here we have my wallet and passport. So this is a really nice pocket right here. It's just really good zipper, nice and hidden. It's just really nice to have a different place for an important item. Rotating this bag again, we have the laptop case in the back. So this is really nice because, first of all, the zippers are awesome. So you can see that through here, right? And then it is a 180-degree opening for your laptop. It's really nice because sometimes you just want things to be open. On this side, you have a Velcro strap right here, and then there's 2 pockets, and they're also padded as well. I always just keep my laptop in a nice padded pouch anyways, but the fact that it is already padded right through here and right through here is really nice. Also, this backpack can fit up to a 16-inch computer. Mine's a 13-inch, and this is my case. In this pocket here is where I have my Bluetooth keyboard. This is for if I need to do any fast typing when I have my phone. So it's really nice that there's 2 pockets here for that. I really like on this side how there's another 2 pockets through here. This is where I'm gonna put like receipts and luggage tags, and then over here if I wanna have a little notepad. Also down here, I have my Apple AirTag as well as another carabiner. This was a really nice touch. I like that this opens up all the way. You don't have to open it all the way, and let's just say you wanted to open up halfway. It does have 2 zippers, so you can go like this. This bag was kind of like Disneyland. Like everywhere you go, there's something new and exciting. When I was trying to fill this up, I'm like, oh, okay, there's another pocket. Let me try to fill this up. So anyways, let's take a look at this top part. The zipper is really nice. And then when you open it up, I do like that there's another zipper here on top. You can put whatever you want up here, but I ended up just putting my rechargeable hand warmer here, my electric one, and then I just have my sunglasses here on top. You don't want your sunglasses to be like at the bottom where it can get squished, so I just like to have it on top in this nice zippered pouch. This zippered pouch at the top also has a really nice zipper, and the mesh is a little bit more breathable because the holes are bigger. And then what I put right here in this top pouch, I put my eye mask, my Manta Sleep eye mask. I have my portable little mini fan as well as a battery pack. This is like a really awesome fan. And then I also have my Tiger Tail massage roller. So I just rub it all over my muscles when I'm traveling because sometimes I do get sore when I'm carrying things or if I'm walking around everywhere. All right, so that's that top pocket. Like I'm telling you, there's so many pockets. All right, let's open up the main compartment. Also, real quick, before we dive deeper into this bag, I forgot to show you the actual expandable part. So that's the reason why there's all these straps right here, is because this backpack can get even bigger. So here we go. On this side, you can actually take this zipper, go all the way around. Oh my gosh, look at that. I believe it was 10 liters, 28 to 38 liters. Yeah, another 10 liters of space. Like, if you're strong enough to hold more stuff, sure, be my guest. But for me, it's like, no, I should probably just stay with the smaller size and compress it down, just so I'm not tempted to put so much stuff in here. But yeah, that's a really, really nice zipper, and look how much more space there is. But let me just close that down so I can just show you what I ended up putting in here at the 28 liter size instead of the 38 liter size. All right, to access the main compartment, you're gonna come here to the frontis, and you can just place it on its back, then open it up. Okay, look, another compartment. So this is a wet pocket. So I like to put my Clorox wipes in here, or then maybe you have like sunscreen or liquids that you have to bring, maybe some body wipes. It's really nice just having this area right here because sometimes if you don't want your clothes to get all wet, or maybe like your tissues. So there we go. That's a really nice zipper as well. And it's also that material that's not like that sticky plastic. This is gonna last for a long time. All right, flipping it open more, we have a compression strap right here. So this strap, if you're gonna have like looser clothes, then I feel like that's necessary, but I actually didn't really need to use this that much. So I'm just gonna open it up and just let it flop to the side. So as far as it goes with what I put in here, first of all, I just have my entire Lululemon fanny pack. This is the Everywhere Belt Bag, large 2 liter bag. So this is where I put like all my little things, like my purse hanger, my bobby pins, my hand lotion, my AirPods. So this would come out with me on an airplane, and I just put it around my waist so I can just have it easily accessible. Also for a jacket, I'd be using that as my travel pillow, or I'd be wearing it. So that's why I didn't put it in this bag. And then I just put another packing cube and another packing cube. Also, these are the Blast packing cubes. They are not included with this backpack, so you could buy it on the side, but you get 6 of them. And I do really like these a lot because the zippers are really nice. You see that? That is some awesome compression cube zipper. This is where I got 2 bras, 3 underwears, 3 compression socks, long sleeve, I have a short sleeve, and short sleeve. In this one, I actually have, so if you want to expand it, you just go like this, and then if you want to compress it, you just zip it up some more. Okay, I put my Abercrombie, like my fancy slacks that I like to wear with my bodysuits, so that's 1 larger pair of pants, a nice pair of pants. These are just like more stretchy pants. And then I also have just some joggers. And then this would also not include the outfit I'm already wearing to the airport. I was able to fit 3 pairs of pants and 4 shirts just in this backpack, which is pretty cool. So that's what fit on the inside of this backpack. This was so awesome. And I have to show you one more pocket. This is an amazing pocket. There is A shoe pocket at the bottom. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, also they have a little drainage hole right here. So let's just say you have a little bit more wet shoes. You just put that in here in this pocket. So this is at the bottom of the backpack. Also, if you don't want to use the shoe pocket, then there'd be more space on this inner side. But you see how I have like a pair of shoes in here? So I just took my fat slippers. These are a different pair of cloud slide slippers. These are called pillow slides. The cloud slides I'm wearing right now, by the way, these are the best slippers ever. So I just put a pair of thicker slippers in here so you can just see, like maybe if you had a pair of Vans or Converse, that would easily be put in here. You can put a pair of boots if you want. Just make sure you arrange it so it's nice and flat. But this is a really, really nice touch. And I love that the inside is polyester. They say it's like more stain proof. It's also like water resistant as well. So it's just a really, really well thought out bag. So if you're looking for a travel backpack, I definitely recommend giving this one a try. I'll have a link down in the description box for you. I just love that this bag is machine washable. It has so many compartments and it's just, the quality is just so great. Bagsmart is known for their quality as well as their good prices. So definitely give this backpack a try. And if you like traveling, then I'm gonna have some videos on the screen for you right here.